What's poppin', YouTube fam, and welcome back. If you are new, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. What's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? Be sure to let me know down below how y'all are doing. Okay, y'all, I know you can see the title of this video. So we are doing Knotless on my mommy, featuring Darling braiding hair in Walmart. Yes, girl, Walmart. So of course I had to bring y'all along with me so y'all can see what it looks like. Now when I first went in, I seen so much hair, y'all, and it ranged from like $6 to, I believe the highest was $16. But they have all different kinds of hair, from ponytails to crochet curls to the braiding hair. Now they had this one is the loose wave. They also have a bohemian, which is more of a crinkle. It was really cute as well. And then they had the straight hair. I decided to do the loose wave today, but I'm definitely going to try some of the other hair. Now the hair that I got was $10.98 for one bag, and y'all know I love the expression hair, and it's normally like $5 a bag for the triple pack. So that, you know, was one thing I was like, okay, is it really worth, you know, my coins? But I will say I end up loving this hair, y'all. Braiding with it doesn't hurt your hands. Well, it didn't hurt my hands. And that's one thing that I look for when it comes to braiding hair. If the braiding hair is coarse and it's going to hurt my hands, I'm not going to use it. This was more of a silky texture, but it wasn't like, y'all remember the hair like back in the day, like the fluffy hair, the Kalinkalon hair. I know y'all remember. It's not like that at all. It's more of a silky type texture. Now y'all know I like to use my mannequin stand to put my braiding hair on, and I just pull it off piece by piece. That alone speeds up the time so much. So if you haven't tried it, you should definitely try that. But with this hair, I couldn't do that because it will tangle with me trying to pull it off piece by piece. So I did have to take my time and separate this hair out like I would if I was using a braiding rack, which was fine. I wouldn't say that was a con at all. It just takes a little longer to do. I did end up using 3 bags. Well, I used 2 full bags and then 1 bundle out of the 3rd bag. So total, the hair was like $30. But that, I mean, I feel like it's still good. I definitely had to bring you guys this look with this hair. So if you ever go in Walmart and you see this hair and you've been debating on trying it, you should definitely try it. Now, I kept debating on if I wanted to like leave pieces of their hair out, since it was like a loose wave, and give her more of a boho look. But I decided against it this time because at the top of the hair, you know, it's straight. And the curl is really like only at the bottom of the hair. So I will definitely try the bohemian hair, and when I do, I'm going to leave pieces out and see how that looks and how that hair maintains with the curls out like that. I've seen people do similar knotless to these, but they would use the human hair and leave the pieces out, especially on the ends. They would do those loose curls. This is definitely a cheaper alternative if you want that look but you don't want to spend as much money on human hair. I believe this hair is definitely a great alternative to that. And I can say, y'all, my mama was feeling herself when I got done. She loves absolutely loves this hair, y'all. It's not rough at all. My biggest thing is I want to know how it holds up. So, you know, with using the crochet hair like the Artryssa deep twist, it'll tangle after so long. I wonder how this hair will hold up. So I'll definitely come back and mention that in the next video that I do using the Darling hair. I'll let you guys know how the hair held up over time. But I can say right off the bat, it looked good, it felt good. Even, you know, moussing it. Now with the hair on the end, I didn't dip her hair, y'all. Like Normally you can like fold the ends up and just dip like the braids, but I didn't want to mess the curls up at all, so I didn't dip her hair at all. I just set it with the mousse, and then I sprayed her with a little hairspray, and they were still flowy. They wasn't stiff at all, which was surprising to me. So shout out to Walmart for putting the girls on, honey, especially when you can't get to the hair store. You know, they close at a certain time, but if you still need a braiding hair, you can shoot to a Walmart. Now, I don't know if all the Walmarts are 24 hours anymore. I know, you know, due to COVID, they had start closing at a certain time. And the Walmart where I am still closed at a certain time. So, but they are open later than most hair stores. So, if you needed extra hair, you have access to extra hair, and it's of good quality. No, this video isn't sponsored, but Walmart, if y'all want to sponsor your girl, hit me up. Nah, but for real. But yeah, y'all, that's honestly how I feel about this hair. Those are my pros and cons. I really don't have any cons about it. If I do, it'll probably be on how long the hair lasts, the longevity of it. But like I said, I will be sure to let y'all know in the next video when I use this type of hair. I want y'all to continue watching. I love y'all as always. If y'all are feeling this hair or feeling these braids, let me know down below. If y'all have any style that y'all want to see, don't be shy. Leave it down below and I will definitely get it up for you guys. I love y'all as always. Please be careful out there, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.